Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to device unlock and choose face and fingerprint unlock. If you've got a regular screen lock, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to add it right now. So I'll pick the pattern, let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Alright, just tap on done. So here we can decide what kind of notification content we want to show on the lock screen. So just mark the option and tap on next. And here finally we can choose the fingerprint. Tap on setup. And as you can see here, we've got our sensor. So let me put my finger on it. And all right, and now we can actually start adding. So let me put my finger, and we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, because your device will of course show you the information that it already detected this area and it has it saved. So just change the position of your finger, the part of your finger. All right. Oh my God. Oh, really? Okay, finally. Just tap on done. And this is our fingerprint, which is right here. You can tap on it and rename it or remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon. You can add another fingerprint and you can change the animation styles. We've got 3 waves, boomerang and chroma dial. Up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so now all we need to do is to actually lock the device and check if it is working, right? So we do not have a sensor here on the locked screen. I will try to, so if you've got the locked screen, I mean black screen, you can still put your finger on the sensor and it will detect it, just like I did before. Like that, and as you can see, our device is unlocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.